Recently, TC Communications exhibited at DTECH 2026 in San Diego. This was an incredibly successful show with a lot of interest in our products and solutions. Now let's take a brief tour of our booth. We had our JumboSwitch, our TC3025 C37.94 mode converter, our channel bank replacement solutions, our product spotlight with two of our products, the TC3840U 24-port Ethernet switch, and our TC3345, which is a managed Ethernet switch. We also presented our network management solution, TCView. Now, let's take a look at each of these in a little more detail. First, our JumboSwitch multi-service Ethernet platform, known in the industry as being a leading solution for Ethernet switching, especially for connecting legacy devices such as 4-wire E&M, teleprotection, SCADA, etc. Our focus at DTECH was mostly on teleprotection and C37.94 over Ethernet, which many utilities have found to be a challenge. We presented how many large utilities are addressing this challenge by moving to a JumboSwitch solution, which provides high performance and low latency for their teleprotection circuits, as well as simple setup and troubleshooting. Because the JumboSwitch offers pain-free setup and troubleshooting, training staff is easy and straightforward. The other great part about a JumboSwitch solution is our relationship with Qualys, a leading cybersecurity firm we regularly work with. Qualys ensures our product meets the highest standards of cybersecurity so you can add JumboSwitch to your network with the utmost confidence, and no new cybersecurity threats are introduced. Please feel free to watch our JumboSwitch videos. Links are in the description. In the second area, we displayed another popular utility solution, our TC3025 mode converter, which allows customers to extend C37.94 circuits by converting the multi-mode signals to single mode for long distances and back to multi-mode. This is a popular solution for many utilities throughout the US and around the world. Thirdly, we highlighted our channel bank solutions to replace obsolete channel banks. While many channel banks are still being used and still carry critical signals, it is becoming increasingly difficult to source the original parts for obsolete channel banks. TC Communications is unique in the industry by providing a modern solution for replacing these channel banks, often as a simple plug-and-play installation for existing channel banks. You can find a great video about this in the description. The fourth area we highlighted were two new products. The first, our TC3840U, part of our JumboSwitch product family, a 10G 24-port Ethernet switch with two SFPs. This product is designed to complement the existing JumboSwitch range by giving users additional flexibility when deploying Ethernet solutions using JumboSwitch. We also highlighted our TC3345, a rugged managed 4-port Ethernet switch with two SFP ports. This product is an extension of our incredibly popular TC3340, which has been a popular choice for many transportation, utility, and public safety agencies. The TC3345 is designed to both support our existing customers and attract a new range of customers for this solution. Please take a look at our TC3345 video. The link is in the description. And in the final area, we presented our network management solution, TCView, which is specifically designed for connectivity with JumboSwitch. TCView is purposely designed to assist users in managing and monitoring. And again, you can find a link to our TCView video in the description. Please visit TCComm.com. You can find all of our products by clicking the drop-down menu here, or by scrolling down to our product matrix here. You can also find all of our videos by clicking the link here. And feel free to get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.